What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video, and look where we at. We're at the Ferrari dealership. We finally just got our car back. They did all the services, so the car is good to go, like nothing ever happened. So in this video, I'm just gonna show you guys how the car drives. We'll do some cinematic shots, pretty much have some fun. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna announce the lucky winner who gets to win the LNC sweater. I know you guys been waiting for that video, so it's finally here. We're gonna find out at the end of the video who is the lucky winner for the LNC sweater. So thank you guys for participating. And also, if you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification, because we post new videos every week, new video. So go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and let's go inside and check out what kind of cars they got. Just got the car back, and man, it drives so nice. So yeah, they did everything. They reset everything, nothing on the cluster. They went through the whole car. Car checks out great. We even did the PPI report. It's right here, check it out. So everything is good, everything is green. The only thing they didn't like are R88 tires. They said those tires need to go. But other than that, besides the tires, the car is perfect. Even the dealers said they couldn't find anything on the car. Pretty much like brand new. Only 3,000 miles in the car. So yeah, let's go have some fun. Just picked up my wife, and we're gonna go cruise around. We're gonna go to the beach and enjoy the car, and maybe I'll let you drive the car. What do you think? What do you think, guys? Should I let her drive the car, or that's kind of sketchy?
That's a fantastic idea.
That's a fantastic idea. Well, that sounds like a plan. So we'll do that. So we'll take you guys with us on a little cruise, beach cruise. And at the end of this video, we're gonna announce who's the lucky winner for the LNC sweater.
Drum roll.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah, once we get to the beach, we'll sit down quietly and we'll pick the lucky winner. So stick around. So I just pulled over and it's time for Mama to drive, unless she's gonna be snapping. And
No.
can you concentrate on the road fully? Well, in that case, let's switch. Let's switch and we'll see what kind of review Mama Bear is gonna leave us. Should be fun. Whoa, 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 what are you doing? This is not how you're supposed to do stuff.
You squished something.
Oh.
Squished something.
Oh boy. This is some scary, scary stuff.
Who knows, might have to get me one of these.
Maybe it's a bad idea you driving it. She's already saying maybe gonna have to get her one of those. I think that's a bad idea, letting you drive this animal. Then how do you put her in drive? And then e-brake right there. Yeah.
It's in drive.
Yeah, see? When you put her, pull up, it says
Hold one.
hold one. That means it's in the first gear. And then to put her in neutral, see, you're in neutral. And then
But I don't need neutral.
reverses right here. I'm just
Dude,
teaching
that's
you.
crazy.
And then to drive,
Drive, just hit it
Yeah.
once. Once it says one.
yeah, and you're good to go.
Auto, because I don't know how to paddle.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And let's keep you in auto crawler.
Better make sure I can reach everything.
And then careful when you're getting out.
Sir, yes, sir.
And then put the lift down.
Okay, so we're going to the
Straight, yeah, just go straight. You think first experience. Let's
So
hear.
far, so good.
So far, so good.
Yeah, gotta test out the horses.
Hey. Careful with the horses. Get used to the car first and then try out the horses. That's how a lot of those cars end up on the curb, because people want to test out the horses before they know what the car feels like or what to expect from the car. So for now, we'll just cruise, enjoy your time driving this 700 horses Ferrari. So yeah, just cruise. And here's a cinematic rolls for you guys. Enjoy it. Great parking skills, Mama Bear. So what do you think? Let's hear your honest opinion driving this.
Amazing car. I feel like it's such a head turner. Like
Really, just
bright red, it just everybody's breaking their necks. So if you want some attention, this is the route to go.
this is the car that you want to get.
Kind of scary. You could get a ticket with it too,
Oh yeah.
especially with a heavy foot like me.
Oh, Mama got an extremely heavy foot. So overall, A+.
Oh yeah, I would. Are you gonna get me one or what? Christmas is around the corner.
That might be your
It's my
Christmas.
second surprise car.
Unfortunately, not this time, but yeah, there you guys go. You guys heard it from the woman herself. Drives amazing. So now let's go announce the lucky winner. Who gets to win the LNC sweater?
They are legit, you guys. You wash them, they won't shrink.
Oh, see?
Personal experience.
Yeah, good quality, everything. And if you guys want to buy them, just go to www.LNCMOTORSPORT.com and get yourself one. But let's go inside of the car and we'll pick the lucky winner and we'll see who gets to keep the nice sweater. Let's go. And the moment we've all been waiting for, time to do the giveaway. So we'll be using a comment picker to find out who's the lucky winner. So let's see where we at. So we're gonna copy paste this, bam, and let's see how many comments we got on this video. We got 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700 comments, 712 comments. Man, thank you guys so much for participating, and let's find out who's the lucky winner. Going once, going twice, going three, ta-dum, ta-dum, ta-dum. And the lucky winner is Carlos. Congratulations, my friend.
Carlos
you're the lucky winner. I need that sweater, my friend. I love your videos. Well, congratulations, my friend. You're the lucky winner, and thank you for watching my video. Please send me an email with your info, and I'll mail out the sweater as soon as possible. So thank you guys for participating. See how easy that was? All you gotta do, like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment, and you'll be the next winner. Simple and easy, so never hesitate to drop a comment, right?
Exactly.
And always like the video. So there you guys go, and don't worry if you didn't win this time. You'll win next time, I promise. Also, if you guys are interested in buying this car, this vehicle is for sale, please send me an email and I'll reply to you with all the info. But if you're serious, please don't waste my time and I won't waste your time. So simple and easy. So thank you guys once again. If you watched this whole entire rebuild, I appreciate that. If you didn't, I'll put a link in the description so you guys could check it out and be up to date. I was buying the car from the storage unit and all the way to this point. So this car is beautiful. We're officially done with this build, and I got plenty more builds for you guys, so stick around. And that's it for now. We're gonna go walk around, enjoy the rest of our day, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!